let's start. Our first question is, if water cement ratio is increased, then the strength of concrete will be option A increase, option B decrease, option C remains same, option D become 0. So the right answer of this question is option B. If water cement ratio is increased, the strength will be decreased. Next question. The characteristics of M25 concrete is. Characteristic strength of M25 concrete is a very simple question, and the right answer is option number B, M25 MPa. MPa, it stands for Newton per M25 MPa. MPa is stand for Newton per mm square. Next question. The minimum grade of concrete for RCC as per IS 456 is option A M10, option B M15, option C M20, option D M25. So the right answer of option C M20 is a minimum grade of concrete for RCC as per IS code. Next question. The maximum nominal size of aggregate used in thin RCC member. So option A is 40 mm, option B is 20 mm, option C is 10 mm, option D is 4.75. So right answer is option C, 10 mm. Next question. If slum value is very high, the concrete will be option A harsh, option B dry, option B highly workable, option D weak. So the right answer is option C, highly workable. Next question. The standard age of testing compressive strength of concrete is. The standard age of testing compressive strength of concrete is 7 days, 14 days, 21 days, or 21 days. So the right answer is option C. Sorry, option D is right answer. 28 days. Next question. Which admixtures is used to delay setting time in hot weather? Option A is accelerator, option B is plasticizer, option C is retardus, option D is air entrainer. So the right answer is option C, retarder is the right answer. Next question. Which concrete has density less than 2200 kg per meter cube? Option A is plain concrete, option B is high density concrete, option C is lightweight concrete, option D is mass concrete. The right answer is option C, lightweight concrete has density is less than 2200 kg per meter cube. Next question. Which test is used for workability of cell compacting concrete? Option A is slum test, option B is flow table test, option C is slum flow test, option D is compaction factor test. So the right answer is option C, slum flow test has self-compacting workability. Next question. Which property of concrete resists penetration of water? Which property of concrete resists penetration of concrete? Option A is workability, option B is permeability, option C is durability, option D is impermeability. So the right answer is option number 4, impermeability is the right answer. Next question. The strength of concrete primarily depend on concrete of strength primarily depend on option A cement content, option B water cement ratio, option C aggregate size, option D curing method. The right answer is option number B, water cement ratio is the major factor to concrete strength. Next question. Which concrete is suitable for radiation shielding. Option A, lightweight concrete. Option B, high density concrete. Option C, pre-stressed concrete. Option D, fiber reinforced concrete. So the right answer is option number B. High density concrete is the suitable for radiation shielding. Next question. Which test is used to determine air content in fresh concrete? Option A is slump test. Option B is pressure meter test. Option C is flow table test. Option D is VB test. So the right answer is option number B. Pressure meter test is a test which is content for uh, air content in fresh concrete. Next question. Which types of shrinkage occur without loss of moisture? Option A, drying shrinkage. Option C, plastic shrinkage. Option D, heterogeneous shrinkage. Option D, thermal shrinkage. So the right answer is option number C, heterogeneous shrinkage is the right answer. Next question. Which cement compound is responsible for flush setting? Which cement compound is responsible for flash setting? So option A is C2S, option B is C3S, option C is C3A, option D is C4AF. So the right answer is option number C, C3A is the right answer. Next question. Which test is most suitable for steep concrete, sorry. Option A, slump test. Option B, flow table test. Option B, VB test. Option D, compacting factor test. So the right answer is option number C, VB test is the suitable for steep concrete. Next question. Which concrete property improves resistance to freeze thaw action? Option A is high strength. Option B is low cement content. Option C is air entrainment. Option C is high water cement ratio. So the right answer is option number C, air entrainment. Next question. Which IS code specify limits for exposure condition? Option A is IS 169, option B IS 383, option C is IS 456, option D is IS 10262. So the right answer is option number C, IS 456. Next question. Which concrete is used for underwater construction? अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन के लिए किस टाइप का कंक्रीट यूज करते हैं? सो द ऑप्शन ए इज लीन कंक्रीट, ऑप्शन बी इज ऑर्डिनरी कंक्रीट, ऑप्शन सी इज ट्रिम कंक्रीट, ऑप्शन सी इज लाइट वेट कंक्रीट. सो द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी, ट्रिमी कंक्रीट इज अ बेस्ट फॉर underwater construction use only. Next question. The purpose of adding gypsum to cement is to. सीमेंट बनाते समय उसमें जिप्सम क्यों यूज किया जाता है? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन नंबर सी, टू कंट्रोल सेटिंग टाइम. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द वीकेस्ट जोन इन कंक्रीट इज. ऑप्शन ए कोर्स एग्रीगेट, ऑप्शन बी फाइन एग्रीगेट, ऑप्शन सी सीमेंट पेस्ट, ऑप्शन डी इज interfacial transition zone. So the right answer is option number D, interfacial transition zone is the right answer. Next question. Which concrete defect is caused due to rapid evaporations of water? Option is drying shrinkage, option B is plastic shrinkage cracks, option C is creeps, option D is bleeding. So the right answer is option number B, plastic shrinkage cracks is the defect to cause rapid evaporation of water. Next question. The main function of pozzolanic material in concrete is. Option A, increase heat, option D, delay setting time. So the main function is option number B, to improve durability. Next question. The shape of aggregate that gives maximum workability. Option A is angular, flaky, elongated or rounded. So the option number D is right. Rounded is a good for concrete. Next question. Which cement is preferred for sewage treatment plant? Option A OPC, B PPC, C sulfate resistant cement. Option D is rapid hardening cement. So the right answer is option C sulfate resistant cement is a good for sewage treatment plant. Next question. Which test is used to determine consistency of fresh concrete for SCC? So option A is slum test, option B is VB test, option C is slum flow test, option D is compaction factor test. So the right answer is option C slum flow test. Next question. Which concrete property improves with age? Option A is workability, B is strength, C permeability, option D is bleeding. So the right answer is option number D strength. Next question. The loss of strength due to sustained load is known as. Option A is shrinkage, option B is creep, option C is fatigue, option D is relaxation. So the right answer is option number B creep. Next question. Which admixtures reduce segregation and bleeding? So the option A is retardus, option B is accelerator, option C is plasticizer, or option D air entrainer. So the right answer is option D is the right answer. Next question. The nominal cover to reinforce is mainly provided to. Option is increase strength, option B improve bond, option C is protect steel from corrosion, option D reduce cracking. So the right answer is option number C protect steel from corrosion. Next question. The minimum cement content for M20 concrete in mild exposure as per IS 456 is so 260 kg per meter cube, 280 kg per meter cube, 300 kg per meter cube, or 320 kg per meter cube. So the right answer is option number B 280 is the right answer 280 kg per meter cube. This is important question for exam. Next question. If water cement ratio is 0.6, the concrete strength will be. If water cement ratio is 0.6, the concrete strength will be very high, moderate, low, 0. So the right answer is option number C, low. Next question. Assertion A. Increase in aggregate size reduce cement requirement. Reason. Larger aggregates have smaller surface area. Which statement is correct? Option A. Both A and R are true and R is correct explanation. Option B. Both A and R are true but R is not explanation. Option C is A is true, R is false. Option D, A is false and R is true. So the right answer is option number A. Both A and R is true and R is correct explanation. Next question. The maximum nominal size of aggregate should not be. Option A 1 by 2 minimum clear cover, 1 by 4 minimum thickness of member, 1 by 5 clear spacing between bars. Option D all of the above. So the right answer is option number D all of the above. Next question. Which curing method is best for precast concrete elements? So option C is right. Steam curing. If we are doing precast concrete, then steam curing is the best option for these types of concrete. Next question. The fineness modulus of fine aggregate lies between. The right answer is option number B. 2 to 3.5 is the right answer. Next question. Which concrete is most economical for mass concreting? Lean concrete, high strength concrete, pre-stress concrete, fiber concrete. So the right answer is option number A. Lean concrete is the most economical for mass concrete. Next question. Which test determine cohesion of concrete mix? Option A slum test, flow table index, VB test, compaction factor test. So the right answer is option number B flow table test. Next question. Which property of aggregate affects concrete strength the most? Option A is shape, option B texture, option C strength of aggregate, option D is grading. So right answer is option number C strength of aggregate. Next question. The purpose of super plasticizer is to. Option A increase setting time, option B reduce water content drastically, C increase cement content, option D reduce aggregate size. So the right answer is option number B. Next question. The standard deviation in concrete mix design is used to accounts for option A quality of cement, option B variation in strength result, option C workability, option D durability. So the right answer is option number B, variation in strength result. Next question. The characteristic strength of concrete is defined as the strength below which not more than option A is 1% result fall, option B is 5% result fall, option C is 10% result fall, option D is 15% result fall. So the right answer is 5% of result fall. B is right answer. Next question. Which aggregate grading gives minimum voids? Option A is single size, option B is graded, option C is well graded, option C is poorly graded. So the right answer is option number C, well graded. Next question. Which test indirectly measure workability of concrete? So the right answer is option A is slump test, option B is compaction factor test, option C is VB test, option D is Kelly ball test. So the right answer is option number D, Kelly ball test. Sorry, Kelly ball test. Next question. Which cement is preferred in aggressive environmental condition? Option A is OPC, option B is EPC, option C is sulfate resisting cement, option D is rapid hardening cement. So option number C is right, sulfate resistant cement. Next question. The bleeding of concrete can be reduced by option number 1 is increasing water content, option B using finer cement, option C is poor compaction, option C D is excess vibration. So the right answer is option number B, using finer cement. Next question. Which concrete has highest modulus of elasticity? Option A lightweight concrete, option B is normal concrete, option C is high strength concrete, option D is lean concrete. The right answer is option number C, highest high strength concrete has highest modulus of elasticity. Next question. The main purpose of providing construction joint is to construction joints किस लिए provide करते हैं? So the right answer is option number C, to facilitate concreting operation. Next question. Which defect is caused by improper curing? Option A is bleeding, B is honeycombing, C is surface cracking, option D is segregation. So the right answer is option number C, surface cracking is a major defect for improper curing. Next question, and the last question of that video. As per IS 456, the maximum water cement ratio for RCC in sewer exposure is approximately. So the option is option A 0.55, option B 0.50, option C is 0.45, option D is 0.40. So the right answer is option number C, 0.45 is the right answer. If you like the video, then please like, subscribe. Thank you.